I arrived, sir.
Sorry, Amir. I was just urgently called out to work. Can you deliver there?
No problem, sir. Where to? What the hell, sir? You order food and go climbing mountains. Also, how you get there so fast? Are you secret built different?
I wish. I work as the helicopter operator.
What are you even doing there?
Our satellite camera spotted Bigfoot. We're looking for it right now.
Good luck, sir.
Wait, you're not coming? I forgot to pack food. We'll be here for 48 hours.
No, sir. Too cold.
But you're built different, bro. You scared of a little cold? I'll add $1.99 tip.
$1.99 I thinking. I know scared, sir, but my dong will become ding.
I'll add 1 cent for the inconvenience.
Holy crap, $2 whole dollar. I speeding.
Oh, wow, Amir. You turned into a rocket?
Sir, I know it's a shrunken sausage fest up there. Don't be jealous.
Don't worry, Amir.
Oh crap, I crashed.
Please tell me the tacos are okay.
It okay, sir. Everything survived, but my rocket broke. I climbing.
Can't you just teleport here?
Cold drained my mana, sir. No have potion. Oh shit, Bigfoot.
Oh my god, don't kill it. We need it alive.
No problem, sir. I give him half of your nachos. We best friends now. I name him George.
No, not my nachos.
I hear.
Only $1 tip because of my nachos. Could have just used your secret Indian Sigma technique and put it to sleep.
I already tell you no man alive. Anyway, $1 I build extension to my villa and invite 59 more cousins to live together.
Is this for $2?
$2? I'm sorry, sir. No matter how much money that is, my boss would hang me if I sell it this cheap.
I meant $2 million.
Oh, sorry, sir. Yes, this car is $2 million.
Only?
What the bloody heck do you mean only, sir? $2 is already a lot of money. And $2 million is a million times that.
$2 million is nothing. I paid more for my nails yesterday.
Sir, like and comment if you love your parents.
Done.
Wait, how rich are you, sir?
My dad is a liquid trillionaire.
Liquid trillionaire? Oh my god, sir. I apologize. I make mistakes in listing. Price is $200 million.
I spend that every night at the club. I don't want to drive this cheap trash car.
Wait, sir. I actually forget a zero. Price is $2 billion.
I have that money under my pillow.
Oh, wait, sir. I skipped math classes at school, so I forgot another zero. Price is $20 billion.
Are you lying to me?
No, trust me, bro.
Okay, let's do it.
Oops, I said wrong price. It actually $40 billion.
That's too much. I can't do that.
How about $49 billion, sir?
Deal.
Boss, I just scammed stupid girl for $49 billion.
Oh my god, really? How?
Remember that car you tell Franklin to steal last week? I sell it to stupid girl. But because she's so rich, price go up. End price was $49 billion.
Good job, Amir. I'll give you $5 instead of the usual $2 for your hard work.
Yippee!
Hey, scammer. My dad said no car costs $49 billion. Give me a refund now.
Sorry, sir. My boss take all money and only give me $5. I can give you this $5 if you want. I deliver your food, sir. This your house?
Yes, please step inside. The door is open.
Sir, I'm not stupid. I know step inside this Resident Evil look in our house. I mean, not like black guy in horror movie. I leave your food at door.
Wait, not so fast. I have a $7 tip waiting for you on the kitchen table.
$7 dollar. I deliver food anywhere you want. I inside, sir. Where is dollar tip?
It's in the big red room filled with spikes. That's the kitchen.
Okay, sir. You scam me. This not kitchen. Only skeleton here. And now door is locked.
You stepped right into my trap. I want to play a game.
What you yapping, man? Give me $7 tip or you regret it.
The money is inside the envelope on the pedestal. You can have it if you survive the game.
Makka, you think Amir scared? Amir no playing games. Only grinding Uber Eats 24/7. I take dollar tip now and leave.
You can try, but there is only one right path. If you step on the wrong pressure plates, the spikes will crush you. You will never get out.
I solve stupid trap in 11.5 seconds. I bring my jetpack and fly over plate easy. Still no tip in envelope.
What? How? That's impossible!
I'm built different, sir. Your trap built like Kaka. Temu trap. Who built this disappointment? Amar.
You may have solved it, but you will never get out. No one will ever find you.
I already out 10 minutes ago. Now I find you because you scammer.
I'm a mastermind villain. I'm in full control.
You know mastermind villain. You Disney villain.
You will never find me!
Turn around, Makka.
I want to play game!
I deliver your food, sir.
I don't need your stupid food, Amir. That's it, bro. I don't want you as my Uber Eats driver anymore. You were always too slow with my orders.
What? My average delivery time is 8.1 seconds, sir.
Still too slow, Amir. I need my food to be delivered in minimum 1 second. Simple.
What the fuck, sir? That's impossible. Even Amir can't do that, and I built different.
I guess no more $2 tip for you, Amir.
No, sir. I need my $2 tip. Otherwise, I won't be able to buy India anymore.
Sounds like a you problem, Amir. We're done! Amar! I got rid of Amir, so you can become the #1 delivery driver on Uber Eats.
Oh my gosh, sir! I knew Amir now! And I built different!
Yes, Amar, but where is my food? You need to prove me that you're better than Amir.
I'm coming right now, sir! I gotta beat that stupid Amir time! So can I come over after?
Stop with these stupid jokes, Amar! I want my food! You got 8 seconds left to beat Amir's record. Move, Amar!
I'm beating, sir! I go with 5,000 miles per hour for you, okay? School zone! Oopsie! Sir, I think I hit a kid!
What? You're gonna go to jail.
No problem, sir. I revived kid. Oh shit! Some Indian guy is running after me, sir! He stole my food!
Wait, Amar, are you okay?
You so stupid, sir. You cheat on me with Amar.
Amir?
You seriously fired me to order from Amar. Start my villain arc on you, sir. I gotta kick you in Amar's ass.
Amir, please forgive me. I will give you a $10 tip.
No, sir. I kick your ass so hard you go to another galaxy.
I on my way, sir. I'm going to deliver your food.
What?
Sir, is there a problem?
Yes. It was a joke. I'm in a submarine. I thought you would cancel immediately, so I made a Uber order as a joke. I am 2,000 feet below sea level.
No problem, sir. I will swim.
Yes, that's a problem. The water pressure will crush you. I am in a submarine.
I at beach. Sir, your pizza will be wet a little. No blame me. Blame water.
You have to be joking.
Plug AI told me to respond with,
How can someone blame a person like you?
Oh, how smooth.
Uh-oh. So there is shark. Sir, I give shark bite of your pizza. It like... Look, it's so happy.
I don't believe this. Are you close?
Yes, just hold tight, sir.
How are you alive?
Build different, sir. I see your submarine.
No way.
I'm here, sir.
You are the GOAT.
Thank you.
Deliver your food, sir.
Who the heck are you? And I didn't order any food.
I'm Amir, sir.
You're just some weird scammer.
No, sir. I know scammer. I'm your loyal food delivery guy. How can you not recognize me, sir? I deliver food to you for 10 years and you always give me dollar tips, sir.
What the hell is some dulla? I'm hearing of it for the first time. Stop acting crazy.
Cantina app, I need roast bot. Help me roast this guy who thinks I'm crazy.
Better crazy than whatever you are.
Better crazy than whatever you are.
Watch your tone, stranger.
Don't calling me stranger. First, you don't know me. You also don't remember about precious dollar, sir.
I still don't know what you were talking about. Do you need some serious help, man?
No, sir. How can you don't remember about dollar, sir?
Why would I know about some dulla? Like, what the hell is that?
Sir, it's money that you give me, sir. You always give me $2 tips, sir.
Money? It doesn't exist since 5,000 years. It's prehistorical thing.
Wait, what year is it, sir?
What kind of dumb question is that? 9834.
Oh, I teleported to the wrong year.
Hey, cutie Amir, can you deliver me food?
Yes, sure, sir.
Get lost, bozo. I have a boyfriend.
What the flip, sir? You text me first and asked to do my job.
You clearly thought I'm interested. That's why you responded. But I actually have a boyfriend. So get lost, creep.
I have boyfriend as well, sir. So what? Oops, I mean girlfriend.
Keep texting me and I'm gonna tell him what's going on.
What you tell him? That I deliver you food?
That you're hitting on me.
Woman, you stupid. Gentleman, I never would hit woman. And how I can even hit you over text? By Bluetooth?
Stop texting me.
You not want your food? I can no deliver.
No, I need my 10 burgers to survive.
Nope, sir. You need salad to survive.
Did you just call me fluffy?
Yes, sir.
That's it. I'm telling him right now.
What's up, lil bro? My queen just texted me saying you're trying to hit on her.
Cantina app, bring me roast ball. Help me cook this dude who just called his girlfriend queen.
Say this, Queen? Bro, she looked more like Burger King. You better watch out before she declares you as her next meal.
Queen? Bro, she look more like Burger King. You better watch out before she declares you as her next meal.
Yeah, good point, bro.
Why you dating that walking meatball, sir?
Walking? More like sitting. She barely even moves.
She look like Muhammad Ali.
She's not a heavyweight boxer. She's an weight boxer.
One time I picture her in my head and my neck broke, sir.
You're built different. She's built sideways.
She's built like an air balloon.
She's so fluffy, she uses a garage door to get in my house.
She looked like Nico Avocado in his prime.
When we went to the cinema, she was sitting next to everyone.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Cristiano McDonaldo, sir.
Kilogram Mbappe.
You pretty chill, sir. But still, why?
I need to maintain my physique. The competition is in a week, and since there's no gym near my house, I have to use her.
Oh, you want deadlifters, sir?
Deadlift? I want to at least overhead press her.